Just wiggle your toes inside your shoes. Now, take your toes inside of your shoes and curl them down. And what do you feel in your body? Do you feel like you get higher, or do you feel like you're more grounded? Try it again. So wiggle your whole body. Just wiggle your whole body like this, wiggle your whole body like this, wiggle your whole body. Freeze! And now curl your toes inside your shoes down like that. And notice now, while your feet are curled, try to lift up a leg. Now, obviously you can if you want to, but it's a little bit harder. So it's kind of like we're grounding ourselves into the ground. This is what we teach the kids that have super high energy. I don't want to deter them from having high energy because they're the ones that end up running the classes. Like after this, we're going to do behavior mastery. But I want to be able to teach them how to ground into the energy of the earth. How many of you have grounding sheets? Like a sheet that actually grounds you while you're sleeping? How many of you were grounded when you were growing up? Okay. How many of you remember the ground round? Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, there you go. Exactly. Okay, cool. So now, wiggle your whole entire body, wiggle your whole entire body, wiggle your whole entire body, move it around, get the wiggles out, get the wiggles out, get the wiggles out, freeze. Now take a breath in and curl your toes down. And notice how you ground yourself. Another thing you can do is pretend like you're in an elevator and now bring yourself to the basement. What do I mean by that? You're here? Yeah, exactly. You felt so. Now bring yourself into the basement. So like your feet are on top of your head, if that makes sense.